some news that's gonna make your spreadsheets cooler. IAS1's retiring, there's a new star in town. IFRS 18's here to turn those statements around. Coffee's brewing, Monday morning meeting. The CFO's excited, heart is beating. Team, we've got new rules for presentation. Time to revolutionize our financial conversation. 3 categories now, that's the foundation. Operating, investing, financing, sensation. No more mixing up your profit loss. IFRS 18 is the new boss. O-I-F, operating, investing, financing. That's our life. O-I-F, categories so clean they cut like a knife. January 1st, 2027. O-I-F, making statements memorable. That's no lie. Operating profits now defined and clear. No more adjusted EBITDA, I fear. Every company plays by the same rules. Investors dancing, we're no longer fools. Income taxes get their own little space. Discontinued ops still have their place. But the star of the show, let me be specific, is that brand new subtotal, operating profit. Wait, there's more. There's always more. MPMs knocking at your door. Management measures need disclosure. Time for financial statement composure. O-I-F, operating, investing, financing. That's our life. O-I-F, category so clean like a guy. Profit before financing and income tax. Another subtotal that's got our backs. O-I-F, that's the facts. Remember when we presented by nature or function? Now we've got rules for that conjunction. Foreign exchange, where does it go? Follow the item, now you know. Are you a bank? Your story to tell. Insurance company, investment fund. Special rules for you, aren't you stunned? Building back up, for you stunned. Building back up. Listen up.